Good day, everyone. This is John Harvey Apat, and today we're going to explore and find out about a website to use for an instructional materials. So we have here the H5 or the H5P.org. It is a it is a free open source tool for creating interactive content like quizzes, video games, and scenarios that work directly in a browser and can be embedded into a LMS platforms. So how do we use H5P? So as I have said a while ago that this is a website that can be used for instructional materials. So here we have here the tabs from here, we could click any of this from here. We have the login, forum, goals and roadmap, documentation and examples, and downloads. So since we're going to explore the H5P, we're going to look for its examples and its downloadable instructional materials. So if we click here, we will be directed to the examples that the H5 could offer. So here we have interactive video, course presentation, branching scenarios, and even if we wanted to have more instructional materials examples, we also have the accordion, added calendar, Agamotto, AR scavenger, arithmetic quiz for math quizzes, or audio recorder, chart, collage, and many more. So since we're talking about values education, it could be a instructional materials about pictures showing a kid helping an elderly woman. So since we're going to use that example as our instructional materials, we could use the drag and drop instructional materials that the H5 could offer. So here we could drag the words here, then put it in any of the picture inside the picture, then there you have it. That's the drag and drop feature of the H5P. So if ever that we do not want to use the drag and drop, we could also go back to the other examples. We could also use the find multiple hotspots. So here we have find all of the vegetables in this picture. So if we click this apple, so since we all know that apple is not a vegetable, your cursor will produce this kind of feature, the X feature. Now, if we click the vegetable, for example, the carrot, then the check mark feature would also appear, indicating that you are correct by clicking the carrot. So that's the same goes to everyone else in the pictures. There you have it. Yeah, so as you can see, 5 HP5P is a very helpful instructional material website for all of the teachers who are looking for instructional materials that they can use for their online classes when it comes to online modality. And of course, if you wanted to create your customizable pictures. For example, you could just log in or get started for you to have a customizable pictures of the website. So here you just have to fill your details, and after you fill your details, you could have a 30 days free trial for the account. So there you have it. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is John Harvey Apat from BVE 311.